Okay students, we are going to start the chapter Indigo from the book Flamingo, class 12th. First of all, what is indigo? You must have heard the word indigo. It's the word in common language which we use to color the clothes neil. That is known as indigo. Before I start with the chapter, I would like to let you know something about the writer who is Louis Fisher. Louis Fisher was a Jewish American journalist. Among his works were a contribution to the ex-communist treatise The God That Failed in 1949, Life of Mahatma Gandhi 1982, as well as the life of Lenin, which won the 1965 National Book Award in History and Biography. The following is an excerpt from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Gandhiji by Times Educational Supplement. Let us think about the theme, that is the leadership. The only theme is the leadership, which is shown by Mahatma Gandhi to secure justice for oppressed people through convincing argumentation and negotiation. We need to read the message. The story highlights the unequal economic system that existed during colonial British rule. It resulted in Indian peasants suffering, while the British planters exploited them. It also highlights the importance of Gandhi's decision to take up their case, which exposed the unjust system. Now, why the writer has given the name Indigo to this chapter? So the title focuses our attention on the issue of exploitation of indigo sharecroppers at the hands of cruel British planters. The British compelled them through a long-term agreement to plant indigo on 15% of their land and surrender the entire harvest as rent. After the development of synthetic indigo by Germany, the British planters extracted money from the peasants as compensation for being released from the 15% agreement. The peasants who wanted their money back filed civil suits. Rajkumar Shukla persuaded Gandhiji to take up the case of indigo sharecroppers. So, indigo sharecropping exemplifies the injustice of the British and the Indians' submission to British authority. The Champaran episode, or the Champaran movement that centered on indigo sharecropping, led to social and cultural upliftment of the peasants. Thus, the title Indigo is highly suggestive and appropriative. So now I'll start with a summary of the chapter in detail. What happened in the story?